Hi, my name is Ashley Liberto and I am the General Manager here at Johnson Garden Center. I have a degree in landscape design and horticulture, and I love conversion projects. We decided to convert our lawn into a drought-tolerant landscape for one, to conserve water, but B, to provide a demo garden for all of our customers and the community. We wanted to showcase some of the wonderful drought-tolerant plants and natives that you can utilize in a drought-tolerant landscaping and show how beautiful some of them could actually be. I utilize the skylark olive in our landscape because it's a dwarf fruitless olive tree. A lot of people aren't aware that there are smaller growing olive trees that you can utilize in a small landscape. I chose Myoporum as a low-growing ground cover substitute for a lawn even. It also allows for bees and butterflies and hummingbirds to come and feed. It's also extremely drought tolerant. It's evergreen, very, very low maintenance compared to a lawn. I also chose Teucrium, which is also a low-growing perennial that is evergreen, that flowers probably 10 months out of the year. A very nice bluish purple flower. We also have a cousin-it, which is a larger shrub. I think the actual footage is about 5 by 5 on that. It is an acacia and it is drought tolerant, but it looks like a fern. It showcases how you can utilize a lush look in a drought tolerant landscape. I have always helped customers with a landscape rebate program for homeowners, and they recently came out with landscape rebate program for businesses, and we decided that we were going to convert ours, and the process was surprisingly very smooth. It was easy to find the plants. It was easy for us to communicate with the city on what we needed to do to get it done properly. It was all pretty streamlined and easy for us to achieve. For businesses or homeowners that would like to see what it's like to have a drought-tolerant landscape, come see us.